Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing for the first time of something that's not quite out in stores as of November of 2018. This is the Vmic Mini. And, this is one of the coolest, most amazing microphones that you're going to see this year, not only from Saramonic, but anywhere in the market. It sounds incredible. We're going to be doing a review on this on cinemasound.com presently, what it sounds like, and maybe even some recordings of it when we put it up on the microphone archive. But this is actually in line sort of with their new Cam Mic and Cam Mic Plus that's also going to be coming out soon. I'm not sure why they're calling it Vmic, because it's a completely different thing than their Vmic series. It's much more of what the Cam Mic would be. But anyway, let's take a look at what's happening when we unbox this. On the back, I love how they've been listening to us and me when I say please put a frequency plot for the microphone and a polar pattern on here. So you can see it's a much wider range than a hypercardioid. It's more on the kind of halfway between a super and a regular cardioid. So if you were to put this on a microphone or even use it as a stick mic just to place it somewhere, you're going to get a good response. It also shows, at least here, that you've got a nice high frequency bump around 8K, which is super cool. And unlike their other boxes, this is nice. Most of their boxes are good, but this has a nice slide out and a really cool case that has a magnet. This is like a little magnet, you can see that magnetic flap kind of cool thing, which is awesome. I love how they've been taking into account what Apple has been doing, this really nice packaging system that they've got going here. Ooh, there goes the registration card, which is right here. And this is another frequency plot, which actually tells you what is in here, which includes it looks like a phone 3.5 millimeter TRR or TSS cable for your phone, and then a regular dual right angle 3.5 millimeter TRS cable. Let's pull the microphone. Actually, let's pull these out here. I love this. This just fit right in here. That's the dual. Oh no, that's the one that goes with your phone. And this is all felt. It feels really nice. And then this is the one that would go to your camera, dual right angle TRS. Here they've got the windscreen behind the gel pack, which is cool. Saramonic mics, I love their boxes so much, I usually just store them. Make sure that you leave your gel pack in there because it keeps moisture, helps with moisture. Like with all of their Saramonic microphones, their windscreens for almost every outdoor situation that's mild wind and every indoor situation, this is going to be good enough to protect your microphone. You don't need a dead cat or anything like that. They're double screened. I was really surprised. If you look at the Cinema Sound Education, you'll see how this stacks up. It stacks up almost as good as a dead cat. All right, so there's this, and then the microphone itself comes out really nice, I think. Yes. All right, let's take these. I'm going to set this here. And here it is. It's teeny. It's cute. It has the new amazing looking, Saramonic shock mount that doesn't look like anything that we've seen before. It keeps it steady and from bumps. It does a pretty good job of keeping this from bumps. We're going to be, like I said, doing some reviews about this and putting it up on the archive soon enough so you can hear it. But it has the cold shoe mount and Saramonic Vmic Mini. It just looks cool. And then the output is here on the back. So this output that's here also apparently works as plug-in power. Now, unfortunately, nowhere in the instructions does it tell you what kind of plug-in power. Are you just plugging 48 volts into this? Is it 1 volt, 3 volts, 3 volts, 7, 5, whatever? So I'm not totally sure, and that's kind of a drag. We'll need to find that out and let you know. But putting this on and off is, let's see how this goes. Let's see if we can get this on here. Ooh, that's a pretty tight fit. Let's see here. Well, it's definitely not coming off on accident. That's cool. That's not coming off by accident. And to pull it off, this has got a little rubber sleeve here. That's cool. We're going to check it out. We're going to listen to what it sounds like in another review on Cinema Sound and let you know our results. But this is, I think you're going to really enjoy using this, and especially at the price point it is, which is like they basically pay you to get one of these. So anyway, enjoy the Vmic Mini. And until you get one for yourself or you see our review, we'll see you on set.
Even if it's for yourself.